the differences between the expanded notation method and the shortcut method. Now, we've been calling the expanded notation method the show partial products or show all totals. It's all the same thing. Let's take a look. Okay, so for expanded notation, I'm going to show each of these products individually. So I'm going to do 3 times 7 is 21, and I'm going to do 3 times 60, which is 180. Then I'm going to multiply this 40 times the 7. It's 28 tens, 280, same thing. And I'm also going to multiply the 40 times the 60. I almost said 4. It's really a 40. Okay, so in my head, I'm thinking 6 times 4, which is 24. But remember, these are tens. So it's 24 times 10 times 10, or 24 times 100. So 2400. All right, now I can add all these up. Okay, so the ones column here, that's 1, that's 10, let's see, that's 18. Okay, there we go. 6, 7, 8, and 2. There we go. So 2,881. Okay, now for the shortcut method, I'm going to start the same way. I'm going to don't multiply 3 times 7, and that is 21, except I'm not going to write it that way. I'm going to write it down here like this. So 21 is 2 tens and 1, 1. Now I'm multiplying 3 times the 60, which is 180, or 18 tens. But remember that I've got 2 more tens sitting right here. So 18 plus 2 would be 20 tens. Now I'm going to multiply using the 40 here. So 40 times 7 is 280, or 28 tens. So I'm going to write the 2 up there and the 80 down there. There's my 280. I wrote it here before like this. Now I'm writing it over here like this. So now I can do the 40 times the 60, which, as you know, is 24 hundredths. But I've got 2 more hundreds right here. So it's actually 26 hundredths. Okay, now we need to take a look at what we've done here and compare these two. If you look at all the multiplication we did with the ones over here and expanded, if I take 21 and 180, those equal 201. So I'm doing the same thing, I'm just writing it in a different way. The shortcut method only has 2 steps, but the expanded notation has 4 steps. And the same is true down here if you look at the 280 plus the 2400. If I put those two together, it equals the 2680. So that's where these ones are coming from. Instead of writing each of the 4 partial products down below, I'm just using a shortcut method. But when I add these up, just like I did before, I will get the same correct answer as I did over here. So whichever method works for you, that's fine, but we're going to try a little bit of both today.